Today, I want to talk to you about the #1 mistake that wedding photographers are making unconsciously, and it's costing them thousands of dollars per year. I'm Taylor Jackson, and I've been a wedding photographer for over 15 years, and on a normal year, photograph somewhere between 50 to 60 weddings. I also host a travel and photography show with Nikon, and we've done work on every continent in the world, even Antarctica. I've also created a wedding photography YouTube channel that has over 500,000 subscribers. For a long time though, I was stuck. I was not booking enough work to go full-time as a wedding photographer, and that was a problem because I had to have a 9-to-5 job. That 9-to-5 grind was taking up all the time that I needed to focus on myself and my own business in order to be successful. It made me feel stuck and frustrated that my own business was not getting to the place that it could be, and I was focusing all this time and energy on someone else's business. The CEO of the company was getting rich off the work that I was doing, and I was getting paid just a living wage. I felt that the balance was a little bit off, that if I was making a company $100,000, $200,000 additional next year, that I should see some of that. But the truth was that someone else was always being rewarded. And that is when I discovered something very important, that when you work for yourself and you generate your business an extra $100,000, that actually goes to you. And to do some quick maths here, say $100,000, that's what you'd like to make as a wedding photographer. That might seem outrageous and unreasonable. Kind of break it down. So 33 weddings a year at $3,000 is making you pretty close. It's making you $99,000 a year. And that is pretty close to that $100,000. Now, obviously there are some expenses that come from that, but for the most part, wedding photography is pretty profit heavy. Along the way, I also discovered a few easy ways to make that $3,000 sale look something more like $4,500 or $5,500 without a lot of additional time spent or expenses. What this means is that now those 33 weddings look something more like $150,000 a year. That might seem crazy, but it is not unreasonable. I've seen hundreds of photographers go from absolutely zero weddings up to this goal within just a couple of years. This means a dramatic change in your lifestyle. Not only are you making $100,000 or more per year, but what really is important to me, I think, in wedding photography is the time freedom that it allows. Since you are now not stuck at a desk 9 to 5 working for someone else, you can really manage your entire business from your laptop, so you can be in Paris or Rome or California or Japan. Or if travel is interesting to you, you can start booking destination weddings. Or you can take winters off completely and go somewhere warm. Or if travel isn't for you, you can just spend that additional time with your family or visit your cottage. Being a wedding photographer is still work, but it is work that can be customized around what you really want to be doing in life. For us, we wanted to travel and make more travel content, and the time freedom that being a wedding photographer comes with allowed that to happen. So what I have created is called Book More Weddings 2022. It's a series that I started in 2016, and I have completely remade it every single year since. Its goal is to give you enough bookings to escape your 9-to-5 job, give you that time back to actually work on your business and make your future dream life come true. With real success as a wedding photographer, you not only unlock financial freedom, but you also unlock time freedom as well, which in my mind is a lot more important. The videos included in Book More Weddings 2022 are designed to give you actionable takeaways that you can apply to your business immediately. They will help you avoid all of the other mistakes that wedding photographers in your area are making and fast track you to success in the most efficient way possible. To go through the videos quickly here, video #1 is the foundation to booking a full-time wedding photography season. Video #2, the keys to a great website. Video #3 is how to book more elopements and travel destination weddings. #4 is the one thing that actually made my wedding photography business remarkably successful, more successful than it had ever been up until that point. #5 is the secret to booking more weddings than your competition in 2022. #6, how to accelerate bookings with Facebook ads, including the new changes to the platform. This includes 50 templates that you can download, you can use them, you can steal them, you can modify them if you want, or use them just as is. #7, Instagram changes and how to be successful in 2022. #8, something from the early 2000s that will make your business even more successful that you've likely forgotten about. #9, getting more vendor referrals. And #10, the steps to becoming a preferred vendor at the venue of your choice. Book More Weddings 2022 is different from anything out there because it is specifically designed for your success in 2022. There have been a lot of changes to the wedding photography landscapes these past 2 years, and this is how to be successful now. 2022 is your opportunity to escape the 9-to-5 grind and make it on your own, where you are in control of your time and money. You're not working for somebody else, you're not making somebody else money, you're actually working on your business that's going to continue to show dividends of those hours put in over the rest of your career. Book More Weddings 2022 is for someone that wants to have a successful full-time wedding photography business, someone that understands the future value of it and has is willing to put in the work. Someone that understands that every hour you put in this year continues to pay off for the rest of your life, unlike a 9-to-5 job where you're kind of just stuck on that carousel. Book More Weddings 2022 is not for someone that wants a get-rich-quick scheme or something with no work involved. I give you the tools, but it does take some effort to implement them. You have to keep showing up for your business if you want to create a business that will truly make your life better. And if you get Book More Weddings before the end of February, so February 28th at midnight Eastern time, you're going to be getting a lot of bonuses. Not only do you get everything we've already talked about, but you get more tools to help you go even more in-depth into your business. You get the following: my full Lightroom preset collection. Usually this is $49 on its own. Wedding filmmaking for photographers, a $74 course. Booking more elopements, $179. And remember that these are all bonuses. The dollar amounts usually what they would cost or what they would cost if you want to buy them in March. But if you're getting Book More Weddings 2022 before the end of February, these are all included. Booking more micro weddings, $119. Off-camera flash for wedding photographers, $129 value. Plus my wedding day photo checklist, a pricing template, and also the email templates that I actually use to communicate with my couples. These are all included in Book More Weddings 2022. So that is a collective $700 in additional value if you sign up before the end of February. Now, another huge twist here is that Book More Weddings 2022 will be $179 if you do buy it straight outright. It comes with all the bonuses. You get to keep them perpetually forever, and you have instant access to them as well. The other interesting thing that I think you should know about is if you sign up for the members website, so the members website is a monthly thing, there's no contract, you're not locked in for a year or anything, you can sign up for the single month. You actually get access to Book More Weddings 2022 as well. And not only do you get access to Book More Weddings 2022, but you get access to even more bonuses for less money than buying Book More Weddings 2022 outright. Again, no contract, you're not locked in for any certain period of time. You can sign up just for the single month. My hope is that you're gonna see all of the great content on there and all the great content that is coming, and you're gonna stick around. But that is completely up to you. As always, for all of my products, 100% money back guarantee. If you get Book More Weddings 2022 or you sign up for the member site and you're not 100% happy with, or it wasn't what you were expecting, send me an email. My email is on the screen right here, and I will get your money back to you. So there's absolutely no risk to signing up, so head on over to the link and get in on this incredible deal before it is gone forever. I'm Taylor Jackson, and I'll see you inside the next videos.